taking the bus to the airport. Hi, Daniel. Are you ready to go to the airport?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I am. We should leave soon.
How are we getting there today?
We are taking the airport bus because it is easy and affordable.
That sounds like a good idea. Where is the bus stop?
It is just 2 blocks from here.
Great. Let's walk there together.
Sure. We still have enough time before the bus arrives.
I packed my suitcase last night, so I am ready.
I packed mine this morning and checked everything twice.
Did you remember your passport and your ticket?
Yes, I put them safely in my backpack.
Good. Those are the most important things.
I completely agree with you.
Look, the bus stop is just ahead.
Perfect. We arrived earlier than I expected.
The airport bus will arrive in about 5 minutes.
That gives us enough time to relax.
Here comes the bus now.
Let's get on before it becomes crowded.
Good morning. 2 tickets to the airport, please.
Certainly. That will be $10 in total.
Here is the money. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please take your seats.
These seats near the window are empty.
Wonderful. I enjoy looking outside during the ride.
The bus is clean and very comfortable.
Yes, it is much better than I expected.
I can see many people traveling today.
It must be a busy travel season.
How long will the trip take?
It should take about 45 minutes if the traffic is light.
I hope we arrive on time.
Don't worry. We left home early.
That was a smart decision.
It is always better to arrive early at the airport.
I want enough time to check in without rushing.
Me too. Traveling is much less stressful that way.
Look at the beautiful city buildings.
They look amazing in the morning sunlight.
The bus is moving smoothly.
Yes, the driver is driving very carefully.
We are getting closer to the airport now.
I can already see some airplanes.
That makes me excited for our trip.
Me too. I always enjoy flying.
The airport is just around the corner.
We should get our bags ready.
The bus has stopped at the airport entrance.
Let's thank the driver before we leave.
Thank you for the safe ride.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful journey.
Let's take our suitcases.
Everything is ready. We didn't forget anything.
Now, let's go to the check-in counter.
We still have plenty of time before our flight.
I'm glad we chose the airport bus today.
It was comfortable, convenient, and affordable.
Planning ahead made our trip smooth and stress-free.
Yes, being prepared and leaving early always makes traveling easier.